Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. It is an honor for me to have the opportunity to teach a short course with Hawza Online. The course that I'm going to be teaching is Pathway to Virtue, Ethical Illuminations from Dua Makarim al-Akhlaq. This will be a short course that will offer some brief reflections on one of the most famous supplications of Imam Zayn al-Abidin. We'll be speaking about the role of dua in our spiritual development. We'll also be reflecting on the meaning of Makarim al-Akhlaq, and we'll be examining the dua itself, certain passages from the dua, and the dua can be divided up into two main sections, where you have the first part of the dua focuses on self-development, where you're looking inward to cultivate certain virtues. And then the second part of the dua will be looking at social relations and how important it is for us to refine our conduct with others and how to see our interactions with other people as a means of attaining nearness to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So I look forward to these engaging discussions. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.